Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to edit 4K video in CapCut without lag. Now, you need to optimize your previous settings and enable proxies. This creates lightweight, low resolution copies of your heavy 4K clips for smooth editing while still letting you export in full 4K quality, right? Now, first you need to adjust the playback settings, right? Tap on settings gear within the main editing interface and turn on basically performance mode or high performance. Clear cache. So close your main workshop, hit me at the bottom right, hit settings in the top right, scroll a bit down and clear cache, right? Basically, that will free up system memory and close any background apps. Ensure no other intensive apps are running to prevent system memory overload. And remove the watermark. Delete the default CapCut editing or ending clip, excuse me, right? Sometimes they automatically add it at the end of the video, so make sure to remove it, right? As this can sometimes cause the timeline playback to stutter, right? So basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.